It is as Master of the Forge Malkan Pharos says. A Titan is a mighty weapon of the Omnissiah, but without the fires of its reactor, it is but cold, dead metal.
Malkan Pharos serves as an Iron Father of the Iron Hands chapter during the era Indomitus. A member of the revered clan, Raukan, although the Master of the Forge has secured a position among the chapter's Iron Council, many consider him to be an eccentric and nonconformist individual. Allowing himself to embrace emotions whilst refusing total replacement of his organic components, Pharos believes that a balance between machine logic and human instinct is crucial to achieving purpose. Borderline heretical in the eyes of many of his peers, his immense skill as a craftsman, warrior, and mentor of his current chapter master, Gardan Stronos, has regardless vindicated him of much scrutiny. His clan's near destruction wrought during the Scarvus ambush, though the Iron Council sought to censure Clan Raukan as punishment for their weakness, Malkan Pharos alone argued to deliver his brethren to salvation. Appointed to lead his clan into a new era with sanction from Iron Father Christos, after decades of toil, Malkan Pharos managed to use Christos' emotions against him in order to secure his dominance of Clan Raukan. Realizing his own weakness due to Malkan's unorthodox tactics, Iron Father Christos finally understood Pharos' claim that mastering their emotions was paramount to revitalizing their chapter. Forming a begrudging respect for a time, Iron Father Christos regardless fell to the clutches of chaos by refusing to deviate from his cold logic. Embracing the greater demon of Slaanesh, known as the Sapphire King, Christos' inflexible nature molded with the being spawned from the death of Pharos Manus. Pharos' ideals resonating strongly with Stronos, the recent change in the character of the Iron Hands is due in large part to Malkan's influence, his gallows humor belying his study of his chapter's bleak past. Constructively dismantling the tenets and customs of his chapter to better reduce the weaknesses inherent in their creed, Pharos stood as among the first volunteers of the Iron Hands to cross the Rubicon Primaris. A clear demonstration of the strengths of flesh, Malkan's abstaining from complete augmetic surgeries proved worthwhile as he returned to his chapter stronger than ever. Leading his men from the front of battle lines, clad in Mark X Gravis armor, wielding his power axe, Harrow Hand, and shoulder-mounted heavy bolter, Gorgon's Wrath, his thunderous war cries have never been louder. His role is among the most respected, if not unorthodox warriors of the Iron Tenth, undiminished by his age or peculiar reputation.